Hello world, this is Suji Maniyam, a developer advocate at Nebius. Today I'm going to walk you through a cool feature in Nebius Token Factory called dedicated endpoints. So when you're using a public endpoint, you are sharing the resources with other users. With dedicated endpoints, you have your own setup that is just yours, not shared. Since you are the only tenant in your dedicated endpoint, you get excellent isolation, and also you get single sign-on and role-based controls across your organization. We also have excellent enterprise security like HIPAA, SOC 2 Type 2, and various ISO standards. And at Nebius, we practice zero data retention, meaning we do not capture or save your data. So let's see how the dedicated endpoints work. It's very easy to set up. You specify minimum number of GPUs. This is your baseline. They are always active to handle your workload. So this is the upper limit for your scale. And based on your traffic, we will scale from the baseline to your maximum GPUs. So in this case, I specified minimum 4, maximum 20, so 16 elastic GPUs based on your needs. So let's see how it works. So here we have low traffic. So we are serving the traffic with your baseline GPUs, 4 GPUs, remember? And let's say we are at 30% capacity. Now the traffic is going up, and we are also automatically scaling up your GPUs up to your max. So let's say now we are at maybe 90% capacity. And when the traffic is going down, we also scale down the resources, and maybe now we are at 60% capacity. So all this scaling is handled for you automatically. All you had to specify is the min and the max. So auto scaling is great because there's no rate limits, and we scale automatically based on the traffic, and it's cost optimized. So you're not running at max capacity all the time with idle GPUs. You are only paying for what you use, and zero management. All you had to do is set the min and max, and we handle the rest. So if you compare to a shared infrastructure, you see the throughput is kind of fluctuating. You could be rate limited, throttle down. But with dedicated endpoints, you see the throughput staying steady. As the traffic goes up and down, we will handle it automatically. So to summarize, dedicated endpoints are your personal endpoints, giving you excellent isolation, guaranteed performance, 3-9 uptime guarantee, and we handle all the scale. Next up, I'm going to show you how to deploy a dedicated endpoint in Token Factory. It is easy as 1, 2, 3. You will see. So here I'm logged into my Token Factory, and you will see private endpoint here. Let me start deploying. So here we can select a model for our dedicated endpoint. Let me choose, say, GPT OSS. Check the quantization and the data centers. We have H200 GPUs available. Let's get continue. And here's how we specify how many minimum and maximum we need. So let's say I need minimum 3, max 8, let's say. And also you can review the pricing. Next. Review the information. Maybe give it a name. And just hit start deployment. That's it. And we will do the work in the background. That's it. You see how easy it is? Just 3 steps. So I covered the dedicated endpoints, and you see how easy it is to deploy. And if you'd like to try out Nebius Token Factory, go to the URL below. Thank you.